In this video, we are going to talk about how to make money with Forex EAs, how to boost your chances of making more money with your expert advisors. Let's say you have a Forex robot already, but it's probably not making you as much money as it probably should. So, what are some of the things that you can actually do in order to boost the performance of your Forex robot or your Forex robots? What can you do to actually make more money with the Forex robots that you have? By the way, if you are new on this channel, please consider subscribing so that you do not miss future videos. Like this video, if you do not learn one or two things in this video, you are probably going to get some good entertainment. So just go ahead and like the video. Everything that we do on this channel is for free. So if you are looking to download stuff, Forex robots, indicators, books, systems, and stuff like that, all for free, there are links in the description box below. Visit those links and see if you cannot find what you are looking for. Many people also ask me about the broker that I use. Their link is in the description box below. I also happen to believe that they are one of the best brokers when it comes to trading with EAs, expert advisors, and Forex robots. So the first tip, how to make more money with your Forex EAs, your automated systems. Some call them Forex robots, trading software. There are so many names. So we are going to look into those tips. First tip then will be you need to take advantage of market conditions. You need to take advantage of market conditions. I've shown you on this channel, there are many videos of showing you how you can turn your trading strategy into a Forex robot. So you find that you might want to actually create two kinds of robots that you can use to your advantage depending on market conditions. The markets, we know, they usually move in two basic moves. Usually either the markets are ranging or they are trending. That's what they usually do. Either they are ranging or they are trending. So in order to maximize your potential in the market with your Forex robot, you need to have two robots, or if you are that good enough, you can have one robot that's able to trade in ranging markets and in trending markets. That's the first tip. Otherwise, if you cannot have that in one robot, probably have two robots. One that you can plug in when you see that the markets are trending, and when the markets stop trending and they are ranging, then you can switch off that one and you can use the one that best make money when the markets are ranging. Then what you need, that's the second tip, what you need is to actually also have an exit plan. It's important. You need to have an exit plan even when you are using Forex robots. What happens if your robot that you are using does well when it comes to trending ranges? Then suddenly you find yourself in a situation where the market is now trending. What do? Some people, I promise you, will not know what to do in that scenario. So you need to actually have an exit plan. My robot loves trending markets. What happens if suddenly the market starts ranging? What do I do in that scenario? You need to react. You need to have a plan for that EA. That's second tip. Always have an exit plan. Have a plan. Have a plan. I promise you, many people lose money in trading just because they do not have a plan, an exit plan. Third point, again, which is related to the first one. I would advise that, like I've shown you on this channel, there are many ways that you can create these robots for yourself for free. You don't need to involve anybody. You don't need to pay anybody. If you just have good strategies, you can easily turn them into trading robots. What you then need is to create as many robots as you can, so that you can use them. For example, one can be trading on the 5 minute time frame, the other can be trading on the daily, or can be trading on the 4 hourly. You find that the 5 minute or the 15 minute robot is going to be able to catch some opportunities, whilst the one that's also trading on the higher time frames is also going to be able to trade to take some opportunities. It's same thing with forex pairs. You might want a robot that actually trades the major pairs, for example, and another one that you probably use to trade exotic pairs. So the other one probably catch some opportunities on the majors, and the other one will be catching opportunities on the exotic pairs. That's the beauty of automated trading systems. As long as you have a good trading strategy, you are not doing the trading yourself. You are just putting out your robots to go and hunt. They come back and they give you the money. So find a way to create robots that can either trade different time frames and also can trade different pairs, so that you are able to capture as many market opportunities as you can. Um, Fourth point is also always to, if you have several robots, EAs, trading systems, automated trading systems of forex software, is to allocate your funds according to what? According to how the robots are performing. Obviously, you want to allocate your best funds to your best performing forex EA. Then your worst performing EA, you don't want to hand it your golden egg trading account. You can use that one to actually test new concepts, or you can find a small account that you can actually trade it with, so that you can tweak it some more and try to build up its performance. Like I always say, the broker that I use, you can actually start these micro accounts with just $5. So you can actually sign up. The link is in the description box below. Open an account and then test that robot that is not performing well on that $5, $10 account, and see if you can try to boost its performance. Okay. Another tip is to trade less when you are in drawdown. I think this is probably an obvious one. If it happens that your robots are experiencing a drawdown, then obviously you want to reduce the size of the trades. The lot size is on the trading robots. You want to reduce the sizes that they are trading, and probably the amount of trades that they are taking. And then obviously it was going to be easier to boost them when they are winning. Or face it, no trading system out there is 100%. Nobody has yet acquired the holy grail of trading. Nobody. So even your best trading robots are bound to lose money at some point, because the market is dynamic. It's always changing, and conditions in the markets are always changing. And these changes in conditions are not always programmed into these trading software. So you cannot always blame the robots. The market is dynamic. That's what it does. So sometimes your robots is going to be caught out. So if you find yourself in drawdown, make sure that you can survive that drawdown. Another important tip is also to make sure that you choose your broker carefully. Like I said, the broker that I use, I believe they are one of the best for trading with robots. You want to trade with a broker with very low spreads. You don't want to lose your, because you are trading with robots. Sometimes, for example, you are trading with the 5 minute time frame, which means you are going to be taking a lot of trades. You're going to be trading in a higher time frame, but still you don't want to lose your profits because you are trading with a broker that charges a lot of commissions, a lot of high spreads, a lot of fees, and stuff like that. Because the problem with widespread is sometimes it's easy to get stopped out by the spread. The moment the spread widens, then the likelihood of prices coming to your stop loss is higher. It just becomes high. So you cannot afford to do that with trading robots. What you want to do is find a broker with ultra or very low spreads, then you can use that for trading with automated trading system, and all things should be good. Don't lose money on spread. Then you probably also want to use a virtual private server. Find a service. There are so many services online offering virtual private servers, VPS servers. Basically, what you can do is, if you have a good system that's working for you, that's making you money, instead of plugging it on your laptop, and sometimes maybe you get affected by power outages, or your laptop getting stolen, or your laptop just freezing or not working. How about you install that robot in the cloud, which is a virtual private server, so that it can work flawlessly without interruption 24 hours a day, 5 days a week if you're trading forex, normal forex, or 24 hours a day, 7 days a week if you're trading synthetic indices. So if you have a robot that's working for you and it's making you a lot of money, minimize the risk of losing that robot's performance because your laptop suddenly gets a virus, or your laptop just crashes out, or your laptop gets stolen, or in your area there's a power outage. Now you can't trade. You can fix that by just getting a virtual private server. Then always use live data to backtest your strategies. I know many people love to test their robots and their systems on data from 10 years ago. Uh, Again, like I said, my broker, you can open a $5 account, $10 account, which means you are not going to risk a lot of money. And you can test your robot in live market conditions, live market conditions currently. So don't like be tempted to look at a robot that was tested with data from 2015, 2018. How about you? The link is in the description box below. Just sign up, open a $10 account, and test your robot on there with live market data, current, everything current. You test your robot for the next month and see if it can grow that $10 account in the coming 30 days or so. So always use live market data to test your strategies and your robots. If you have any more thoughts on how you can actually boost the performance of your robots, your systems and stuff, leave them in the comment section below. But I believe I've given you some tips on how you can enhance your Forex robots and their performance. Like this video, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Until next time, bye.